Hey, what's up guys? JG, Garza Gang Adventures, welcome back to the channel. We just dropped that install video of our new flip-up windshield from Kemimoto, and I wanted to do a follow-up video going over the windshield itself and just giving you guys a quick overview of what we think about it. I mean, there's really not much to it. It's a windshield, right? How we ended up with this is we end up doing a lot of road riding when we go to West Virginia. When I get on the road and we're really doing 40, 50 miles an hour, I like having a windshield. Problem with that is as soon as you get down into the trails, I want the breeze. Flip-up windshield works great for that. So we literally slapped this thing on, went right to West Virginia and put a little over 200 miles on, performed flawlessly. With that being said, let's give you the overview and show you what opening and closing looks like. So it is assisted by these gas struts on the side. That's also what's gonna hold it up there. When you're sitting in the machine, grab the handle, pull down, latch. So it does take a little bit of force. I will say aligning everything in the beginning is the key step. It took me a little while to make sure that I figured that out. If these brackets right here and these struts don't all line up at the same spot, what it's gonna do is put too much tension and it's gonna bow this out. But with a little bit of adjustment, a little bit of fine tuning, we were actually able to accomplish that. And honestly, I'm super happy with it. So hit the road, pull it down. You want some air? Let's flip it open. That's cool. One of my concerns with this when I was looking at it was the line of sight. I already feel like the seating position in the Can-Ams are a little funny. I wasn't sure how it was going to be sitting in the driver's seat, but honestly, it's great. It works fine. The line of sight's fine. Even when all this is dirty, you can still see great. Okay. So we did encounter a couple issues, and I do want to talk about that because it is a great product, but it's not perfect. During installation, one of the things that I'm not quite sure is right or not is, Jackson, if you could show them, up here on the upper part of the windshield, it angles up when it actually seems like this plastic piece should be flipped. This did come fully assembled from Kemimoto, so I just kind of sent it, but mainly because I was in a rush. I kind of feel like I want to undo those and flip it because I really had to fight it to get it in. And you could see the contours there. It just doesn't line up right completely. But minor beef, I guess I should say. It's not that big of a deal. The other issue that we did run into also, which I'm not quite sure if it's Kemimoto's fault. In fact, I'm pretty sure it isn't. These screws did back out on us. And if you notice, that's why I'm pretty sure it's not, because I didn't even tighten these when I put these in. So we had the Kemimoto mirrors here. The screws backed out, we lost the mirror. But I can't blame Kemimoto for that. Honestly, I just think that I didn't crank it. The other Kemimoto mirror, we lost when this brand new machine decided to take a nap and lay down on its side. But that's another story. So that's it. That's your general overview. Overall, I'm super happy with it. I think it suits us really well. I like being able to flip it down on the fly and get that protection when I'm rolling down the highway at 50 miles an hour. And I also really, really like being able to just flip it up. I don't know about you guys, but there's been so many times where it's chilly starts in the morning. I feel like I want my windshield, but I get halfway through the ride and I feel like I want to take it off. This is the best of both worlds. You really get that full coverage when you want it. And then when you want the breeze, you just flip it up. Suggestions for improvement, if I was looking at this and I was on Kemimoto's design team, honestly, this needs to be addressed up here. I don't know if that was a mistake in their assembly process or what. This definitely needs to be addressed up here because the fitment could be 10 times better if we just fix this. And the other thing, back up a little bit, Jackson. Right here going across this bottom piece, I would like some sort of support. I don't know if that's necessarily like a metal bar going across. And I mean, I can see it because the reason they probably didn't do that is you're not gonna get much strength because it is a pretty good distance. But I don't know, when I close this, with this sitting on the plexi, there we go. So that was kind of awkward. But anyway, with that sitting on the plexi like that, I don't know. It would just, I feel like it would be a lot better if I just had a metal bar going across. But honestly, that's not that big of a deal. So that's it, guys. Flip up windshield from Kemimoto. Definitely highly recommend this. Full disclosure, we do have an affiliate partnership with Kemimoto, so if you use our links, we do earn a small commission off of it. Very small, I promise you that. And 9 times out of 10, we can get you better deals than what you can get other places if you use our discount code, which is KMAFF018. Use that, you'll get 18% off on top of their sale price. And then, you know, everybody wins. You guys get an awesome windshield. We get a small commission that we in turn put back into the channel. Really trying to do great things with the channel and looking forward to the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.